Cheap car insurance is easy to get online. Car insurance is an added expense over and above the considerable expense of owning and maintaining a car, particularly when you consider all the other types of insurance that are necessary in today's world. So it is only natural to want to get cheap car insurance without compromising on coverage. Luckily, cheap car insurance is well within your reach, provided you know how to get it. The internet is the best place to start when shopping for cheap car insurance. Insurance companies are now here to provide you with a quote online. But you will still need to shop around and compare quotes, and key in your details separately with each insurance company. You want a quote from can be a hassle. The answer is to use an insurance company that allows you to get multiple quotes online. You enter your details online, and the insurance company will draw up individual quotes for a number of insurance providers, sometimes as many as 8, and send them to you all in one go. How cool is that? You will even save on your phone bill because you won't need to use the phone to get your quotes. There are a number of other things you can do to reduce your car insurance besides getting cheap car insurance quotes online. You can increase your excess, which will decrease your premiums on a monthly basis but substantially increase the amount you will have to pay out of your pocket when you claim. Accidents happen when you least expect them, so you need to be sure you can afford to pay such a high excess as you go this route. All new cars now have to be insured before they leave the showroom for these days. But you can limit the amount of insurance you will have to pay by purchasing a cheap or moderately priced car. So insurance companies, cheaper cars mean cheaper repairs, which means they will have to fork out less. The result is a lower premium for the consumer who buys a cheaper car. Ensure that your car is parked in a secured area like a garage or lockable carport at night, and consider fitting additional security measures, such as a gear lock, as this can help you get a cheaper package. Speaking of packages, it is often cheaper to have a combined coverage package, where you insure your car, home and possessions with one insurance company and several separate premiums with different coverages. Avoid driving a high-risk vehicle or expensive car if you can. High-risk vehicles are the makes and models of cars that insurance companies consider to be vulnerable to theft and hijacking, and your premium will be raised accordingly. Also, expensive cars tend to be expensive to repair, so you can expect your insurance premium to be higher than if you had a cheaper car. As you can see, there are a number of ways to get cheaper car insurance, but cheaper is not always better because it can mean you aren't adequately covered. You need to be clear on what your insurance status is and what adequate coverage costs, and then decide how far over and above a reasonable insurance premium you want to go with this first. Car insurance is an added expense over and above the considerable expense of owning and maintaining a car, particularly when you consider all the other types of insurance that are necessary in today's world. So it is only natural to want to get cheap car insurance without compromising on coverage. Luckily, cheap car insurance is well within your reach, provided you know how to get it. The internet is the best place to start when shopping for cheap car insurance. Insurance companies are now geared to provide you with a quote online. But you will still need to shop around and compare quotes, and key in your details separately for each insurance company. You want a quote from can be a hassle. The answer is to use an insurance company that allows you to get multiple quotes online. You enter your details online, and the insurance company will draw up individual quotes for a number of insurance providers, sometimes as many as 8, and send them to you all in one go. How cool is that? You will even save on your phone bill because you won't need to use the phone to get your quotes. There are a number of other things you can do to reduce your car insurance besides getting cheap car insurance quotes online. You can increase your excess, which will decrease your premiums on a monthly basis but substantially increase the amount you will have to pay out of your pocket when you claim. Accidents happen when you least expect them, so you need to be sure you can afford to pay before they leave the showroom floor these days. But you can limit the amount of insurance you will have to pay by purchasing a cheap or moderately priced car. To insurance companies, cheaper cars mean cheaper repairs, which means they will have to fork out less. The result is a lower premium for the consumer who buys a cheaper car. Ensure that your car is parked in a secured area like a garage or lockable carport at night, and consider fitting additional security measures, such as a gearbox, as this can help you get a cheaper package. Speaking of packages, it is often cheaper to have a combined coverage package, where you insure your car, home and possessions with one insurance company and several separate premiums with different companies. Avoid driving a high-risk vehicle or expensive car if you can. High-risk vehicles are the makes and models of cars that insurance companies consider to be vulnerable to theft and hijacking, and your premium will be raised accordingly. Also, expensive cars tend to be expensive to repair, so you can expect your insurance premium to be higher than if you had a cheaper car. As you can see, there are a number of ways to get cheaper car insurance, but cheaper is not always better because it can mean you aren't adequately covered. You need to be clear on what your insurance status is and what adequate coverage costs, and then decide how far over and above a reasonable insurance premium you want to go with. Now we have the computer wherein you can do your searching through online. And it is more fast, easy and convenient in time and days of your choice. Online fraud is easy to access, and most of the insurance companies have their own website on the net in order to serve their clients or customers their needs in insurance. Most of the insurance companies have put entries instantly in the net to compare quotes and rates from all of the best terms of any insurance you want and finding the affordable, low-cost or cheap-term insurance that suits your budget and suits your needs. This is one of the high technology of today which makes shopping more pretty easier, especially for working people. You can get your insurance quote online in your office during your break time, since online shop is 24/7 open to all. You can have your online quote insurance at home or even in the internet cafe if ever you don't have any computer at home. For sure you can find the best term of insurance quotes online and can compare it easily with other insurance companies. Most of the online quotes are free, no cash involved, since it is one of the service of insurance companies in order to gain lots of customers or clients. Everyone needs insurance, whether it's life, car, health, home and other kinds of insurance, since this is important, and take note that any kind of insurance plans used to change all the time, cost is increasing constantly, getting the coverage you need at affordable rates can be really challenging as well, especially online. Why spend more time calling or roaming around to get insurance quote when you can have online through the internet? In getting insurance quotes online, all you have to do is to fill up their form and answer it honestly. Internet is your one-stop shop for insurance quotes, and for sure you can get a cheaper insurance that suits your budget as well as the coverage of your needs.